So, hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm gonna go out on the E46 again today, which just came back from its service after I smashed the control arm in the back.
The ox is here.
And yeah, you can see the garage is getting fuller, although there are still some cars missing. The Raptor front is fixed again, finally. No more hole in here. It looks beautiful, beautiful. I hope it's going to rain a little bit today, because otherwise I'm gonna have a hard time sliding the E46. But yeah, we will see. So yeah, we're on the way now, and also Tens decided to join us today. But I kind of feel like there's something missing right now. I don't really know what it is. Maybe if I just... Hey! Where do you come from, man?
I don't know. Welcome home, man. Welcome home.
Nice. Alright, let's go. We have two problems, well, actually three problems right now. First problem is his seat for some reason is the loosest seat I've ever seen in my entire life. You're shaking around like, I don't know. The second problem is my car feels like it, I don't know, like it's driving on sponges instead of suspension. I don't know why, but it's just so shaky, it feels like a boat.
Yeah, it's hard to describe.
Yeah, wait, I can show you when I do. Feel the whole car shake. Oh, it's starting to rain, so that actually solved problem number 3, which would have been that I don't have enough power to slide in like the dry asphalt, but I like rain.
Yeah.
I think it's going to help us a little bit at least. I don't know, I think it's safe.
Hello, my friends.
Les Blue Lagoon. So we arrived in our first spot, which we call the ghetto. Yeah, it's not raining. It looks a little bit slippery though, because there's some dust on the road. Nice, nice. I like that. I think Jens likes the ghetto.
Yeah.
This is the worst spot to turn around. There's literally a spot to turn around over there, and he's doing it here. Oh, it's starting to rain.
Es ist einfach so ranziger, wie es in Erinnerung war.
Wir haben genau das gleiche gesagt. Ja, probieren wir es mal, oder?
Ja, ja.
Okay, let's try it in second gear first.
Not bad.
I think it can be better. I think now you know why we called it the ghetto here, because it kind of looks like it. Oh yeah. Oh, perfect. Still have a little grip though.
A little bit sketchy, but it's cool.
corner. In the first try, my front wheel suddenly tripped up and I was facing the wrong direction. And then I had a little wall tap, which was very nice. I thought there were only some bushes and flowers in the way, but it turns out there was a little rock behind it as well.
Fuck! This guy. What that, man?
What that, baby?
Fuck!
So that's nice. Oh yeah, let's go, continue our journey. Funny thing is that it sounds so fast, but it actually is
Slow.
pretty slow. Okay, this is our second spot. We call this one Himalaya because it's the steepest road I know.
Oh, baby.
Loves it. Also, if you're now still wondering why I can't get the E46 sideways, follow me.
Okay.
Because for some reason I have the most insane Nordschleifen setup on my E46, and I actually have wider tires in the back than in my E90. I have, wait, where is it? 2, 8, 5 tires in the rear. On my E90 I have 2, 6, 5 tires. So I have an insane amount of grip, even in wet, and this car just doesn't even have power. But we still get it a little bit sideways.
That's why it's sketchy.
Should we film the other way around, not uphill, so down?
Yeah.
Also, Mani is giving 100% for filming the outside shots again today because we fell down some bushes while getting a shot of me sliding. So very nice, Mani, thank you.
No problem, boss.
Getting a blood poisoning for a YouTube video. Perfect.
Now we can go to the hospital.
No, we need to film more. So, next spot. So yeah, it's starting to get dark already. I think we're done sliding for today. Also, I think we know two things now. E46 needs either more power or thinner tires. And you're doing a good job being a camera guy.
Thank you, man.
So yeah, let's drive home. I'm gonna clean the car, put it in the garage, and then